If the ChatGPT app keeps opening by itself every time you start Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to stop ChatGPT from auto-starting on Windows 10 or Windows 11, so your PC can boot up cleaner and faster. This is a simple fix, and you don't need to uninstall anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips like this. Now let's get into it. The best way to stop ChatGPT from launching at startup is by using Task Manager, because Windows gives you direct control over which apps are allowed to run when you sign in. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. That opens Task Manager right away. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, don't worry. Just click more details at the bottom so you can see the full set of tabs and options. Once you're in the full view, look for the Startup Apps tab near the top. The icon may look like a small speedometer or a list depending on your version of Windows. Click that tab and you'll see a list of apps that are set to launch when Windows starts. Now scroll through the list and find ChatGPT. If you have several apps installed, it may take a moment to locate it, so scan carefully. Once you find ChatGPT, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click Disable. This is the key step, because disabling the app here tells Windows not to load it automatically every time your computer turns on. After you disable it, the status should change, and ChatGPT should no longer start up on its own. That's it for the main fix. The next time you restart your PC, the ChatGPT app should stay closed until you open it manually. This is useful if you want a cleaner startup, faster login time, or just prefer to launch ChatGPT only when you need it. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same startup apps list in Task Manager and enable it again with just a right click. So the process is completely reversible and safe. If you don't see ChatGPT listed in startup apps, that means it may not be enabled there, or it could be launching from another startup setting inside Windows or the app itself. In that case, Task Manager is still the first place you should check because it solves the issue for most people. And if you're trying to manage startup performance in general, it's a good habit to review that list and disable anything you don't need right away. That can make a noticeable difference when your PC boots. So to recap, press Ctrl, Shift, Escape, open Startup Apps, find ChatGPT and click Disable. That's the fastest way to stop ChatGPT from auto-starting in Windows. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.